We're here today with Wizards Tip of the Week. I'm John Schlumperger, founder and owner of Wizards Products. Mist and Shine Professional Detailer. This is our best-selling product. It works great on any type of paint, glass, plastics, fiberglass, basically any hard surface material. So easy to use. Just spray it on the surface, and wipe it down. Always want to use a good absorbent cloth, not necessarily the fluffiest cloth or the softest cloth, but one that absorbs quickly. Notice how fast our cloth pulls that off of there. And right across the weather stripping, you'll never have any residue. Cleans up the glass perfectly. Yes, you can use it on glass. This is one of the few detailers you can use on glass without leaving the oily residue. Mist and Shine is great to use on any tight areas. You won't have to worry about any residue left behind. Mist and Shine is also great to use in the body shop after buffing. Basically spray it on, wipe it down, and pulls off any of the oily residue, any compound splatter and dust. It makes the car look awesome. Adds a super gloss. Customers love it, and you don't have to wash the car. Basically wipe it down and it's ready to deliver.